Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. We kick off this Tuesday with a double whammy as we await crucial inflation reports that could shape the Federal Reserve's upcoming policy decisions. Today sees the Producer Price Index and tomorrow, the Consumer Price Index. Meanwhile, Oracle shares surged 28% in after-hours trading, driven by robust demand for AI servers and a strong cloud outlook. Despite missing first-quarter expectations, Oracle surprised investors with an impressive showing in its remaining performance obligations, signaling renewed confidence in its cloud growth trajectory. Yesterday saw record highs for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, propelled by tech giants like Alphabet, Meta, Nvidia, and Amazon, Apple being an exception following its product launch event, which saw a 1.5% dip in shares. The overall market mood is one of cautious optimism as investors bet on the Federal Reserve to stimulate growth through lower interest rates. However, concerns loom over potential inflation and the impending economic slowdown predicted by JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon and Fitch Ratings, IN Court. Fed Governor Lisa Cook can stay at the central bank for now, allowing her to vote in the upcoming policy meeting. The Supreme Court will also hear arguments on preserving tariffs, while President Trump remains optimistic about a potential trade agreement with India. On the economic front, downward revisions to U.S. jobs data have fueled expectations for a Fed rate cut next week. The focus is now on the extent of this potential reduction, with the August CPI data due today and predicted to show slower price increases from July. A higher-than-expected reading might force the Fed to maintain rates for longer, while an in-line or softer print would reinforce expectations of a September rate cut. In other news, Europe saw defense stocks rise following Poland's downing of Russian drones in its territory. Oil prices are also climbing slightly, adding another layer to this complex economic puzzle. In summary, the global economy is showing mixed signals, but investors are betting on the Federal Reserve to navigate these challenges and steer us towards growth. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the day here at ABR MarketWatch.